Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a cute duck, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a round cute circle here. And start at here, continue with a curve. And continue here, connect it. Now just following with me. Draw the wings. Line inside. And the tail. Now draw two round big eyes, inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. With three lines. Now just following with me. Now we have a cute duck. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.